Hello class. Today we are going to learn the topic talking about things 1 which is on page number 9. Please open your book and see page number 9. Here are more pictures and words too. First of all, I will see you picture and its particular name, then read the surrounding words which are around the pictures with its correct pronunciation. Class, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start the talking about things 1. Page number 9. Apple, apple. Elephant, elephant. Cup. Ribbon, ribbon. Parrot, parrot. Umbrella. Ice. House. Socks. Van. Oranges. Pillow. Mouse. Flower. Biscuit. Star. Wall. Rabbit. Mango. Fish. Tree. Lion. Rock. Nose. Old man. Now do this activity. Draw any 10 pictures and label it, which are given in this video. Now look at the picture and listen carefully the pronunciation of the words tall, lamba, long, lamba, thin, patla, thick, mota, fat, charbi, cold, सर्द, hot, गर्म, bright, रोशन, short, मुख्तसर, little, थोड़ा, small, छोटा, big, बड़ा, young, नौजवान, old, पुराना या बूढ़ा, strong, मजबूत, tasty, मज़ेदार, round, गोल, ripe, पका हुआ, juicy, रसीली, क्रंची, कुरकुरा, स्वीट, मीठा, शाइनी, चमकदार. नाइस, अच्छा, क्लीन, साफ, क्लेवर, होशियार, डर्टी, गंदा, सॉफ्ट, नर्म, हार्ड, सख्त, ब्यूटीफुल, खूबसूरत, ब्लैक, काला, वाइट, सफ़ेद, रेड, लाल, ग्रीन, हरा, ब्लू, नीला, गोल्डन, सुनहरा, येलो, पीला, पिंक, गुलाबी, वॉयलेट, डार्क, गहरा, न्यू, नया, रॉ, कच्चा. In our next video, I will teach you the use of articles a, an and how to make meaningful phrase by using pictures and surrounding words which are on page number 9. Okay? If you like this video and want to get benefit of my other videos, then subscribe my channel and share the videos more and more.